Introduce highlight features or overview summary of TopDiag T400 4-in-1, OBD2 scanner, diagnostic tool. There are features include 4-in-1 diagnostic suite. The ultimate all-in-one troubleshooter, why buy 4 tools when one does it all? The TopDiag T400 is a car diagnostic scanner that integrates a OBD2 scanner diagnostic tool, a precise 12-volt battery analyzer, a relay tester, and a fuel injector tester. Save money, space, and the hassle of switching devices for a complete vehicle diagnosis. This professional-grade scan tool is your ultimate garage companion. Decode your check engine light in seconds, save on shop bills. Panicked by the check engine light? This powerful car code reader quickly reads and clears standard DDCs, giving you clear definitions. Understand the issue yourself like a P0300 4-cylinder misfires. Avoid guesswork and unnecessary trips to the mechanic, saving you potentially hundreds on diagnostics alone. Note: does not read ABS, SRS, or transmission systems. Pass emissions tests with ease and gain live engine insights. Drive to your smog test with confidence. The I/M readiness mode on this OBD scanner instantly shows if your car will pass. Avoid costly retests. Go beyond codes with real-time live data to monitor sensor health, spot trends, and use freeze frame to see the exact conditions when a fault occurred. It's like having a mechanic's insight on your dashboard. Professional accuracy for DIYers and home mechanics. Enjoy professional level accuracy without the price tag. The T400 intelligent chip ensures 99.8% accurate battery diagnostics. Its wide vehicle compatibility supports cars, trucks, SUVs, and more, 1996 plus USA, 2000 plus EU. Whether you're a seasoned DIYer or just starting, this vehicle code reader provides the reliable data you need. Perfect for global users as a scanner para autos/e-scan automatize. Plug and play simplicity, get answers in 60 seconds, no apps, computers, or manuals needed. This scanner for car is true plug and play. Connect it to your car's OBD2 port, it powers on instantly. The intuitive menus guide you to the right test. It's compact enough for your glove box, so you can run a quick diagnostic anytime, anywhere. It's the easiest upgrade for your toolbox. More than a basic code reader, a complete diagnostic system, ditch the limitations of a simple fixed car diagnostic tool. The T400 is a full-featured car scanner diagnostic tool that merges the functions of a code readers and scan tools set. From reading engine codes and live data to testing critical components, it empowers you to diagnose complex issues, making it the smart choice for anyone who wants to maintain their vehicle with complete confidence. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.